Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I've got a happy planner haul for you. So let's go ahead and check it out. It's not a lot, but I was so excited I wanted to show you and I wanted to share with you. So let's see what I got. I got 3 items. One of them is the Happy Planner. It is a 12-month planner, so I've already missed a few months, but I'm okay with it because I've been using my own. So I liked to save that little bits of money. And I'll put a link down below if you want to grab the planner that I've been using. It's blank planner pages. But we've got this one, and they were on sale. I think I got this for like $7.99, so I couldn't pass it up because even if you buy just the rings in the stores, it's going to cost that much. So this one says, define your passion, nurture your creativity, and take hold of your dreams. So, and then it says hashtag live a happy life. And then we're going to open this up. So this isn't just a regular unboxing, I have to show you. And another thing that I like about this, getting it not right at the first of all, they're going to be coming out with the new ones that are 18-month calendars in a couple months, but that's okay. I am okay with getting rid of these first 3 months because look, I'm going to have that much room to put like notes and stuff in. And then I still get to keep these guys here, and I love them so much. They're fun. So look at that. They're just so inspirational. I have missed some of this, but let's go ahead and look into April. And we've got the month spread here. And then we've got the long spread, which I stopped using the Happy Planner once they kind of got rid of this stuff. But now that I found them in the classic block format, I've been loving it. So just going through, and on each little end of the month section, or actually I guess it's the beginning of the month, we have the master list of what we want to accomplish, holidays, birthdays, and dates to remember. And it already has on here Mother's Day and Memorial Day. And then you can write your ideas. So I do love that. And then it has little things like celebrate the simple things in life. Look at that. So I am enjoying this. I'm enjoying having the Happy Planner again. I haven't used it, so I'm just assuming I'm going to enjoy it. And as you can see, I've got some bright nails to go with my bright Happy Planner. You know, and I don't know, this is gold to go with the gold, but I think I might change these out or maybe go every other color and just really make this nice and fun. The next thing I want to show you is this book. And I know I got this book at a great price. I don't remember what it was. I know that I got these two and this for like $35. So I was happy with that. So this one is called the Household. Let's see. They have some good ones. They have a daily chores checklist. They've got our grocery shopping. They've got chore lists. Clean, let's stay home and clean. There's a weekly checklist. We've got trash days. I definitely need that one. Washing. Bless this mess. That's going to be on a day that I do not want to clean. Deep clean. I will probably give those away. But the little trash can, clean it up, and then the weekly checklist, I love it. So we've got actually a couple of pages of these. Oh, wait a minute. That was a weekly. This is a monthly. So that's cool. And they've got the different colors. And then we've got some daily chores. some, honeydew lists. You guys know I'm a list person, right? I make lists for everything. I've got lists on my phone. I've got lists on my, I can't say her name, but it starts with an A, and you buy it from Amazon, and you tell her to do stuff for you, like turn on your lights. But if I say her name, she's listening. Comment below if you know what the name is. And does she answer you at random times while you're talking about her? But look at this. We've got organized pantry. So you can actually just take dust cobwebs. I'm going to get rid of that one. But, oh no, I'm going to keep dust cobwebs. Get rid of clean baseboards. Most of the other ones I can keep here. And flip the mattress. It's got everything in here. And then we've got things to do today. Cute little flags here. It also has, hold on, there's another page. What's the other page? They're sticking together. Oh no, it's just it's just thick because of this stickerness. We've got some payday stickers, some bills due stickers. We've got a budget in there. Oh my goodness, so much. Bill reminders here. Isn't this fun? We've got a weekly menu. So, I mean, you don't even need to use it as a daily planner. You could use it as a monthly planner and then fill this all in. So, I'm looking back on here and making sure there are dates and stuff, yeah. So we've got sorry about that, Phil. Meal plans. We've got little tacos and pizza and little going out to dinner symbols. Got some of those. And then we've got the weekly checklists again. Some more bills, but this time our money's gold. The chore lists. There's more chore lists. Make your own. Okay, we've got credit card, house payment, electrical bills. This is daily chores. If I show you things, you'll know. Oh, look it, they have leftovers. I love to do leftovers. So, like, I'll probably have one day of, like, cooking and then leftovers. I call it meal prep. Most people call it leftovers. But here we go. Cleaning the bathroom, changing out the toilet paper rolls, taking a bucket to stuff. But look at how cute these are. They look just like my little trash cans. So they're super cute. We got recycle, just a lovely home, cleaning different products, the shower and the tub. There's the dog for when the dog goes to the grooming. The car. I could have used that one today, actually. So vacuuming. That's cute. See the little clothespins. Got some gardening, some lawn mowing. Oh, this is when you go to Costco. They're gold. Ironing. If anybody needs ironing stickers, I won't be using them. And then we've got the, I do need these, changing the light bulbs and then doing the dishes. So that's that one. And then this one is called A Year to Shine. So it has, oh, the last one had 1,403 stickers. So that'll be fun. And these, I don't have either of these books. So I think this is pretty cool. But it's called A Year to Shine. And it just has fun things. Hold the vision, trust the process. You guys, I wanted to get this because, as you know, I haven't been around much. I really got thrown for a loop with getting sick and staying sick, and it was just not fun. But I'm starting to finally feel like myself, so I had to show you what I bought online, of course. And this is my year. Even though we're into April, I'm still going to claim it because I am done with being sick, and I'm going to shine and accomplish my goals. So I will also focus and look on the bright side. Oh man, these are great. Today is the day. Just keep going. Focus on the goal. Purpose fuels passion. And you guys, I want to take time to thank you guys for supporting me. Even though I was sick, I'll tell you what, I had one of my best sales months in March, and it is because of you guys who are supporting me on my Etsy, on watching my videos and liking them, watching my TikToks, and just everything, buying Stampin' Up from me. I appreciate you guys so much. So thank you so much. It says the bravest thing you can be is yourself. Look at that. But it has little, it says now. Some great little planner stickers. And so I said, all right, let me go back to the Happy Planner for a little while and see how this works out. So again, I could always put my own in there too, just like I have in the past. But I just love these. So here's 1, 2, 3 little things to do. You can put your goals on there. She's a dreamer. I'm definitely a dreamer, right? More little, like your top 3 things to get done. Just more little places to put your lists on there. She has fire in her soul. These are just adorable. There's some big ones here, and then long strips as well. More. Trust the process. Beautiful. And then we've got some fun little watercolor splashes here. And these can be used for other things. These like watercolors and stuff. You can always just put one of these stickers over one of the others because these are clear. Grow through what you go through. That's a good one. Let's make a difference with our own differences. Huh. Progress, not perfection. And then, I don't know, I think these are going to be ending up all over the place. We rise by lifting others. Look at that little guy right there. I love it. Look at how pretty these are. Errands to do. I ran a bunch today. These are just great little books. I have so many, you guys. If you know me and you've followed me for any length of time, you know I used to do happy planners every week. And although I do still plan, it has been over a month that I was just like, I have nothing to do this week but lay in bed and heal myself. So but now I've got some reminders, things to focus on, some priorities. These are what I need right now. And so I'm gonna be back to planning. If you want me to do my plan with me's again, let me know. Put in the comments below. Share these with your planner friends. That's how you can help me. Again, I thank you for your support earlier because you do. You share them. I see that. And I love it so much. So we've got some habit trackers on here. Not a lot of habit trackers. So I probably will be using, I mean, there are some, but not a lot. I probably will be using some of my other books, of course, and maybe even my pages that I have for that can be cut down to the planners. So I'll leave a link down below so you can check it out, see if my planner pages, they're free. Maybe there's something you might want to use in your happy planner, binder, whatever you'd like. So, all right, I hope you guys like this. I want to share things with you, and I am so excited to be back and sharing with you. So have a great weekend, you guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye!